Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Uconnect system in a Jeep Compass. This simple process can often fix common issues like a frozen screen or unresponsive controls. It's a great first step for troubleshooting before considering more complex solutions. We'll cover the exact steps to get your system running smoothly again, ensuring you can enjoy all its features without interruption. To begin a soft reset, first ensure your Jeep Compass ignition is in the run position, but do not start the engine. Next, find the volume and tune knobs on your Uconnect system. Press and hold both of these knobs down at the same time. Keep them pressed for about 10 to 20 seconds until the screen goes blank and then restarts. This action initiates the system's reboot. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please consider hitting that subscribe button and giving us a like. It really helps the channel. On another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link for these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once the system restarts, you should see the Uconnect logo appear, indicating a successful reboot. Give it a few moments to fully load all its features and settings. After it's completely back online, take a moment to check if the issues you were experiencing have been resolved. Test your navigation, audio, and any other features to ensure everything is functioning as expected. This usually fixes most minor software hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.